soirée, bon appétit. Oh my gosh, I'm making Béarnaise sauce. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Anybody can make it, and it's delicious. You got to do this. It's wonderful. And look at the results on a filet mignon. Anyways, watch this video. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Yeah, anyways, bon soirée, bon appétit. Check this out. All right, so I'm melting my butter. My butter is melted. I'm going to add my shallots. And I'm going to cook those shallots for about 2 or 3 minutes. And you can put it towards the center because we got to cook it, right? If you're curious, I'm going to make a filet mignon with this, and I'm going to make sweet potato mash, just to add a little sweetness to everything. It's going to be lovely. My shallots are softened, a little translucent, which is exactly what I want. And I'm removing it from the middle part. Now, if you're making this on a regular burner, you're going to have to adjust the heat quite a bit, which no big deal. So we're going to put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of white wine. We're going to take some tarragon vinegar and about the same amount, 3 tablespoons around. That's my estimate. Now you're going to have to be patient. You got to reduce that to almost nothing, like a tablespoon. So you're going from 6 tablespoons to 1 tablespoon. So just put it on a medium heat. So you notice I took it out from the center and brought it out. Now if you have it on a regular burner, just lower your heat all the way and just be a little patient and take your time. Okay? But a French plate is amazing to do sauces because you can, you gotta bring it to the heat, bring it off the heat, and it makes it work. Anyways, we'll be back. All right, we're not down to a tablespoon, but I forgot to mention, you want to add your chopped tarragon in there. Mix that up a little bit. There you go. There. And we gotta wait 2 tablespoons. You see that? If I bring it to the center, what it does, it comes to an immediate boil. I bring it out here, it calms down. All right, we're almost there. Next step, we're going to add the eggs. Now, we're going to take this off the heat and put it to the side, all the way to the side. Right about there. I really want this to calm down. I don't want scrambled eggs. So, we just need to cool this down a little bit more. So I'm going to actually take it off the heat completely. And when I don't see no bubbling, I'm ready to add my eggs. So now, the eggs are important. The yolks, you got to separate from the whites. And the best way to do it is with your hands. Jacques Pepin does it with his hands, and I do it that way, and you get perfect results. So, let's drop these eggs. And now, you gotta use muscle. And you're gonna mix, and you're gonna put it on a low heat. And you're gonna keep adding, keep stirring, until it clings to your whisk. Now, I learned how to do this. See how I'm taking it off in the heat? Gives it a thickening a little. We don't want to make this scrambled eggs. I learned this from my uncle in France. A great uncle, I should say. Yes, my mother's uncle. You see how it's thickening? That's what we want. I'm just going to take it off from the heat completely. And watch that heat. Don't burn yourself. And then I'm going to add a little clarified butter at a time. And I'm going to wait that absorbs. Let's put that on the heat now. Put it off the heat. Take another chunk, throw it in there. See how that is? We gotta keep going now. I'm gonna add about, I don't know, I would say about a stick of butter. Now, if you don't have clarified butter, you can add regular butter. And you just add a little, once it absorbs it, you add more. Do not add more until it absorbs it. Come back underneath. Just to warm it up a little bit, but not in the center. And this is, using a French plate makes it so much easier. So, I should have cut this up before, but you know, I always like a challenge. There we go. Drop another stick in there. Well, not a stick, I shouldn't say that. This is my clarified butter. Just little pieces, and I'm not going to add any more until the egg yolk absorbs that butter. Now watch your corners. So your corners are right here. You want to make sure you get into that. Not too much heat. There we go, look at that. It's going to be a beautiful Béarnaise sauce. Oh my gosh. This is very similar to Hollandaise sauce, except without the lemon. Right, we're going to drop a little bit of butter in there. There we go. And yeah, I would mess that up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty. Alright, we're gonna... Yeah, just a slight amount more butter. I mean, I'm starting to like this. You see the consistency of that? I like that. But we're going to add just a tad more butter. Or clarified butter. Just a tad. And you're going to get beauty here. Now we're going to add just a tad bit of water, like a tablespoon. And look what that does. It gets my sauce together. Now we have enough butter. We added just about a tablespoon. A little more maybe. And it just chills it a little bit. And there we go. Now your sauce is done. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. There you go. The Béarnaise sauce is ready. And now you can calm down. All right. Beautiful. Oh my God. It is just beautiful. Okay. Now, we're just going to keep that warm. Not hot. Do not put it on the burner. Turn that off. And put it way out in the corner. And cover it. Till you're ready to put it on your steaks. All right, well, I'm gonna mash those sweet potatoes and drain it. Add some butter. I'm gonna get my fillet going, and voila! Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful Béarnaise sauce. And I'm just gonna put a dab right on the corner. Maybe 2 dabs. And another dab on that beautiful fillet. And there's a beautiful Béarnaise sauce, sweet potatoes. Oh my gosh, on a fillet. You can't beat this, it's wonderful. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want. And thank you to my subscribers. And thank you so much for the comments. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Bon appetit, bonne soirée.